In this episode, we sail from Atlantic City to the entrance of the Great Dismal Swamp Canal in the ICW. Beautiful Atlantic City in the distance. We are closing in on Atlantic City here, coming out of Great Bay. As soon as we get under that bridge over there, that is the ocean. That will begin our first roughly 200-mile leg down to Norfolk. We're hoping we can do it about 30 hours max. Should be doable. Kind of looking like we're going to have the wind mostly behind us. We hope. It's not quite as cold as I'm making it look. I'm just kind of loose.
We can fit under this, right? Did I already ask you that?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
According to Leo. See how close it is.
What's our clearance? So it'll be close? That is so scary. That is so close. I didn't like that.
Like butter.
There it is.
We are rocking and rolling out Abiscon Channel. Hang on, y'all! This is going to be a whole lot nicer when we get turned around going down the coast. Right now it sucks. Once we turned downwind and got the sails up, Chris decided to show us some new steering techniques. And we jived. They don't teach this at ASA. For good reason. It's late afternoon, first day. We've done something like 50, 60 miles already. And it's coming along 6.5, 7.5 knots. Not too bad. Baby's hanging tough. He really likes to nap. Got any thoughts about our first day of sailing?
No. It was harder and easier than I expected it to be.
And we're just getting started. This is going to be an all day, an all night, and an all day again before we're in Norfolk. But this first little fourth, a little bit more than a fourth probably, it's going pretty good. And now I'll leave you with the sunset. Come on, watch now. Chris got his rolling about 10 o'clock on his own. Came out about midnight. We're about halfway to Norfolk. And wind dropped off quite a bit, so we're motor sailing. But we got everything still up. Right off Aztec Island right now. And this is what we're looking at. Not too bad.
I've been searching. Tell me where.
Day 2 on the water, and not a lot of sailing going on. Our wind sort of died on us early in the morning. We were motor sailing for a long time, and then we finally decided just to drop the sails. We weren't doing a whole lot except being annoying. And we got places to be. We're trying to catch a football game when we get to Norfolk. You know, it's football season. And it's a pretty darn nice day. It's hot. Took off all the front parts of the Bimini Dodgers. So we look to be about 2 hours out of Norfolk.
Ocean with a teething baby. Maybe not across the ocean, just down the ocean. That works. And we broke the boat.
In 200 miles, and then I break the sleep. I don't even know how I did it. Broke a nice big chunk of fiberglass off of it.
Gave the kids some Tylenol. Went to sleep finally. Hopefully he sleeps for more than an hour this time.
Alright, so tonight we are spending the night at Vinings, I think was the name of it, Marina. Very nice marina in Norfolk. And
here's the spoon.
As we cleaned out the coffee pot, we discovered phosphorescent algae in the water.
In person, the algae was incredibly bright. Unfortunately, we couldn't fully capture it with our cameras.
That looks really cool. It kind of looks like when boats have lights on the bottom of their boat.
It's just such a weird neon.
We're gonna wake up the baby.
There's water music, soon to be Layla, snuggled into her berth in Norfolk. Pretty cool spread right here. You know, just a little battleship in the background. Ain't no thing. Everybody slept pretty good.
Yeah.
This guy slept good. Yeah, really did.
Since we wouldn't be back in a marina for another couple of days, we decided to give Layla a scrub down. Turns out we wouldn't need one.
I think the heavy stuff's going to come down for quite some time now. There's a drip right here. Yeah. Took the mainsail down because I was afraid a little wind would come with rain, but the rain ate the wind. So we went through some rain, but no real worries. This guy's being a little crazy right now. He's learning some sailing terms, mostly winch, followed by give me some rum. Just slowly cruising through the Chesapeake. About to pass some numerous military vessels and cool stuff like that, and probably some more rain up there. But we're just, once again, motor sailing. Mainsail up. Nice light wind behind us. You know, nothing crazy. Our plan is to get to the Dismal Swamp today. We may not get in the lock, which would be fine. We'll just spend the night there at the entrance and be one of the first ones in the morning for a nice early morning, cool, hopefully, cruise down the Dismal Swamp. I think this is all considered Hampton Roads, right? Tons and tons of military ships. We made sure those were really clean before we left for the trip. Yeah. Salty. See my impression of those cranes?
What? That's a good one. Yeah, it's perfect.
Some low-rent housing on the right over here.
The oatmeal plant.
Look how tight that is. Holy shit.
Get any of that. I'm really bad at actually hitting the record button.
You didn't get any of that?
No.
Come on.
Sorry.
You can get the kids up to no good. You didn't get any of that.
No.
Those kids back there, see, okay, there was this boat, and it was like, it was full of these kids.
So,
and as they went by really fast, I said, those kids are up to no good. And it was really funny. But you kind of had to be there.
You weren't. So what do we draw?
4.5. 4 feet, 6 inches.
And most of the Dismal Swamp is
About 6 feet. I don't know if it's most, but I think there's a lot of it. And you gotta look out for logs, trees, and random things floating in the water. Dismal swamp bodies.
anchor if we don't have anywhere to anchor.
Just anchor.
All about God's grace, all the hell we raise.
Careful of that. Right behind you.
What's that?
Piling's just right behind you.
I know. It was there before.
Okay. Gonna do the locks tomorrow. Early, early, early.
Extra early. Probably good. That's good. We're in the Dismal Swamp. Just kind of chilling, having some beverages,
That's a good seat.
watching the sunset peacefully. Right there is the lock entrance, and so we'll be up ready for the first entrance at 8:30 tomorrow morning to enter the Dismal Swamp Canal. So, very peaceful here. But I mean, how did the canal get started?
The canal got started because water transportation was the lifeblood of North Carolina. George Washington decided to drain the Dismal Swamp and create the Great Dismal Swamp in 1763.
Canal. Drained one swamp
No,
because he really wanted a different swamp.
yeah.
Do you
And
buy any of this? Was he president then?
no, but when he became president, he decided
Okay.
that that's what he was going to do with the help of the Virginia governor.
Tell me more about the Dismal Swamp.
In 1784, the Dismal Swamp Canal Company was created,
Oh.
and the work was started in 1793.
Who were the principals of the Dismal Swamp?
If I remember correctly, it was George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, and Teddy Roosevelt. I think they were the
They all pulled some money together and
yeah.
created that.
Yeah.
It took 12 years of back-breaking labor.
Yeah, can you kind of like imagine like cutting a freaking canal through this stuff? I mean, it didn't even look like this. It was just like a swamp. Rivers is far more interested in eating his hat.
Show them your teeth first.
There you go.
Show them your teeth. No. No. Okay, have the hat back. Sorry.
The key to a good time on a sailboat is to plan a 600-mile voyage with a teething baby. In the bars where the people play guitars, eating, drinking, and remember the times. My little lover does some midnight shifts, all around all the time. That's all you get.
That's all I get. It's really nice out though.
The sign says long-haired freaking people needing not apply. So I tucked my hair up under my hat and I went in to ask him why.
Next time on Sailing SV Layla.
Please take a moment to like and subscribe.
And be sure to follow us on social media.
Thanks for watching. Cheers!